Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you how to make this agfan shell stitch. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so with this one here is I use two yarns. Okay, I will show you how to do that later. Okay, I will show you first how to start this. Okay, so this yarn is a little bit bigger than the normal one. Okay, so to start is I will be using this small yarn here, or 8-ply acrylic yarn, and I will be using my 5.5mm hook. Okay, to start we will be making our slip knot. Okay, and we are going to chain 17. Okay, multiple of 3 plus 2. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 17. Okay, so to work on the next row. Okay, so we are going to insert our hook into the second chain from the hook. Okay, so not this one but this one. Okay, and pull up a yarn. Okay, the next pull up, next pull up, next pull up to the next. Okay, so we will be just working like that in this row. Okay, so next pull up the yarn. Okay, until we get to our last chain. Okay, and we're getting closer. And one more. Okay, so this will look like, okay, after we finish. Okay, from here we are going to chain 2. Okay, so chaining, wrap your yarn, pull up 1 yarn, okay, and chain 2. Okay, and then from here we are going to pull up 4 yarn on our loops. Okay, so 1 2 3 and 4, and then after that chain 2, and we are going to pull up 4 loops again. 1 2 3 and 4, chain 2 and pull up 4. 1 2 3 and 4. Yeah, chain 2 and pull up 4. 1 2 3 4, chain 2 and pull up 1 2 3 4, and then chain 1 and pull up both loops. Okay, so that how we complete our first row. Okay, so in the second row, okay, so we have here, as you can see, okay, so these loops here, okay, so these loops here we are going to pull up our yarn and the stitch on top of this one here. As you can see, this one here, we're going to insert there and pull up a yarn, okay, and our chain 1 2 here, okay, insert there and pull up a yarn, and the second chain, pull up, and the top of this, as you can see there, okay, so this one here we insert there and pull up a yarn, okay, and then chain 2 here, 1 and 2, okay, and the top of the shell, pull up, chain 2, and the top, pull up, chain 2, 1 2, and the top of the shell, pull up, and our chain 2, 1 and 2, okay, so this is looks like again. Okay, so we will be just doing the chain 2. We will be doing this repeatedly, okay, so chain 2 there and pull up 4 loops, 1 2 3 4, chain 2, and then 4 loops, 1 2 3 4, chain 2, and 1 2 3 4, chain 2, and 1 2 3 4, there, and then chain 2 and pull up 4 loops, 1 2 3 and 4, and chain 1 and pull both loops. So as you can see, guys, okay, so as you can see, it will be like this. Okay, so I will show you one more here and then I will switch into this. So I will show you how I did change color. Okay, but usually when you get here, you just have to change color. Okay, so before you finish this, you have to change color. Okay, so pull up this first here, pull up, and the top of the shell, pull up, and then the 2 here, 2 chain, and then the top of the shell, pull up, and the 2 chain, 2, and the top of the shell, and 2 chain, and the top of the shell, and 2 chain, and the top of the shell, and the 2 chain. Okay, so we're back here. Okay, so what we're going to do is just chain 2 there and pull 4, 1 2 3 4, chain 2, and then pull up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 2, and pull up 1, 2, 3, and 4, chain 2, and pull up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 2, and pull up the last 4 loops. Okay, and then chain 1 and pull up through. Okay, so when you change color, okay, you will be putting your new color here, okay, and then pull up both of the loops. Okay, so you have your yarn ready. So as you can see guys, okay, so that it is looks like. Okay, so that it looks like. Okay, so now I will be showing you, okay, how I work this one here. Okay, so here we are going to change our color. Okay, so we have chain 1 there. Now we're going to change our color. Okay, and then you pull up your yarn here so that you can change color. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so from here you will be doing the same. Okay, so insert and pull up, and then the top, pull up, and the 2 chain, 2, and then on top, and the 2 chain, 2, and the top of the stitch. Okay, as you can see there, and then the 2 chain, 2, and then the top there, and the 2 chain. Okay, so from here it's the same, chain 1, 2, and pull up 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 2. Okay, so 1, pull up 1 small one, and 3 of the chain here. Okay, so chain 2, and 1 small one, and a 3 chain. Okay, so chain 2, and as you can see, 3 of this and 1 of that. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 1, and 4 here. Okay, we are going to change to change color. Okay, so we are going to put our color and change. Okay, so from here it will be the same, pull up, and the top of this, pull up, chain 2, 1, 2, on top of the chain of the stitch of the shell, should I say, pull up the yarn and chain 2, and the top, and the chain 2, and the top, and the chain 1 and 2. Okay, so from here it will be the same, chain 2, Okay, so 1 and the 3 big loops, normal loops. Okay, so chain 2. Okay, so we will be working with these 3 here and 4. Okay, so 1, 3, 4, chain 2, and then pull up 4 loops, 1, 2, and pull up the 4 last 4 loops, chain 1, and then you finish. So as you can see, it's very simple, guys, but it's really cute. So you can make this as a scarf or a dress or a blanket or anything. Okay, top. Okay, so thank you very much, guys, for watching, and hopefully you followed my video. Okay, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button if you like, and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I uploaded a new video. And thank you very much for my supporters, guys. I'm getting there, you know. And watch out for the more videos to come. Okay, have a great day, guys, and until to the next video. Thank you. Bye.